Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the latest powerhouse from Realme, the GT7 5G. Let's get started. Segment 1, Design and Display. First impressions matter, and the Realme GT7 5G doesn't disappoint. With a sleek design measuring just 8.3mm in thickness, it's both stylish and comfortable to hold. The device boasts a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display, offering a 1.5K resolution of 2780 x 1264 pixels. With a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 6000 nits peak brightness, your viewing experience is smooth and vibrant, even under direct sunlight. The display also supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, ensuring cinematic quality visuals. Segment 2, Performance and Software. Under the hood, the Realme GT7 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400E processor, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Running on Android 15 with Realme UI 6.0, the device offers a user-friendly interface with enhanced customization options. Realme promises 4 major OS updates and 6 years of security patches, keeping your device up to date and secure. Segment 3, Camera Capabilities. Photography enthusiasts, rejoice! The Realme GT7 5G features a versatile triple camera setup, a 50MP Sony IMX896 primary sensor with OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens. This setup ensures crisp and detailed shots in various lighting conditions. On the front, there's a 32MP Sony IMX480 sensor, perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls. The camera system supports AI-enhanced features like motion deblur and night vision mode, elevating your photography experience. Segment 4, Battery and Charging. Equipped with a massive 7000mAh battery, it ensures extended usage without frequent charging. And when you do need to recharge, the 120W fast charging support gets you from 0 to 100% in just about 20 minutes. Segment 5, Pricing. Now let's talk about pricing. The Realme GT7 5G starts at Rs 39,999 for the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. The higher-end Dream Edition, developed in collaboration with Aston Martin, offers 16GB RAM and 512GB storage, priced at Rs 49,999. Thanks for watching.